YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I have another unboxing for you today. I know I've been going crazy, and it's going to slow down, I promise, because I noticed how much I had spent, and in all seriousness, it was too much. And it really concerned me because a bunch of these bags are not super expensive, but when you look at them individually, you know, you can justify them. But then when you look at them cumulatively, you're like, oh crap, I could have bought, you know, Louis Vuitton capuchins for the price that I spent on all these bags. But that said, I am going to enjoy the ones I ordered and try to slow things down. And so I've got this bag to open today. Now, I'm doing this in collaboration with Shanycole. She has an awesome YouTube channel, and it is Shanycole Handbags and Happiness. And Shanycole loves Tory Burch. She does cover some other topics, but she particularly loves Tory Burch and does great reviews on Tory Burch. So since I'm doing a Tory Burch unboxing, I wanted to give her a shout out and link to her channel because she's doing an unboxing too. And it just so happened that the unboxings we are doing are in the same colorway, although completely separate styles. So without further ado, I'm going to unbox. Quick, oh gosh, what am I thinking? Do a quick, Jesus Louise. I did a thumbnail pause. That's what I did. I was pausing for a thumbnail. That's what I meant to say. All right. So far, the Tory Burch that I have opened has been direct from the boutique. So I'm going to see how they do when it comes from their warehouse. Because sometimes the Tory Burch outlet, which is the boutique I'm referring to, they don't have it in stock. So you can order it from their warehouse. And I am, let's just say, impressed. So they put a nice little note on the outside. And I did request gift wrapping because I knew I would be unboxing this. And so this is their gift wrap. It's a pretty, pretty bag. I'm going to open it up. Got the Tory Burch dust bag. This is all good. The bag appears to be wrapped pretty well. Not completely wrapped, but guys, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a Willa. And you may remember that I unboxed a Willa recently in the color Pink Magnolia. And that Willa, that's different than this Willa. This leather is different. The leather on my other Willas, and let me grab one real quick. It is this, like a glazed calfskin, and you can see it's kind of crinkled. Look at this. This is smooth. And oh my God, it is so soft. It is so, so soft. I wish I would have kept my glasses on so I could examine it better. Hey, this is future Erin. I just found out some information that I wanted to let you know in this video. The bag that I just unboxed that I'm oohing and awing about, saying how wonderful the leather is actually made out of polyurethane. It still feels great, but it is not actual leather. Now, all the other Willas that I have are made out of actual leather. They are goat leather, which I also didn't know. I thought it was a calfskin. So, in summary, I still love my Willas. I still love this one, but I just wanted to make sure you had all the facts. And if you do want an all black bag that's leather, there is a Kira on the Tory Burch website that is black leather with matte black hardware. And the other option that's all black on the Tory Burch website is the Fleming, and it is also made out of polyurethane. So there you go. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. But I will tell you that my iPhone 11 Pro will fit in this back pocket on this bag. The hardware, oh my gosh, look at this. It's black. And it comes with a crossbody strap. It does hit you higher than your typical crossbody strap. But I mean, I'm talking, this is like a matte black hardware. Let me show you up close. See if I can get it to focus. I'm gonna get out of the screen. See? It is a beautiful bag. So let's see. I already know I'm going to keep this, so I might as well just take this darn thing that holds the strap in place off, if I can get it off, for the love of you know what. So I got it off. With this bag, it clips to the top handle, and I'll go ahead and give it a try. So see, like I said, it hits me a little higher than, you know, a typical crossbody. I'm 5'8", about 145 in terms of poundage, but I feel like it hits really in a nice spot. It's not adjustable, so if you aren't happy with that length, you can certainly grab a different chain from Amazon or Etsy, but you're gonna need to go with a black one, not gunmetal. And a lot of the chains that are on those sites, when they say black, it turns out to be gunmetal. But anyway, oh my gosh. And look at how well they line up their quilting. I mean, it is like perfection. And this is an outlet bag. I mean, who would think that an outlet bag, like made for outlet, this line is made for outlet, would be this spectacular? Let me look at the inside real quick. They do not come, oh, I was gonna say they don't come with the dust bag, but they do. Outlet bags don't always come with dust bags. So the flap is all leather. The inside of the bag is all black. And it's got like a nylon interior like my other one did. And the interior here, this is nice. They made it as silver hardware. And that's nice because the black hardware, I think it can chip sometimes. So you don't want something like that that's open, close, open, close, open, close to chip on you. So here she is. I love her. I'm very happy, and I'm seeing Tory Burch perfection. The only issue I've had with these Willa bags is the ivory one I got. I had to look at like 3 or 4 to find one where I was happy with the leather because there were spots that the dye didn't take. But I haven't had problems with any of my colored Willas. And this is a new type of leather because it's smooth and it looks divine just as well. Okay, I opened the matte black bag before I opened the vanity. And so I couldn't tell you that I had issues in my initial video, but as you know, if you've watched that video, I did have an issue with that bag, and that was that the logo wasn't centered right. So I just wanted to throw that in there. I ended up sending that one back. So thank you so much for watching my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, a like, and please subscribe. And then go check out Shany's video on her new matte black bag because I know you aren't going to want to miss that. Take care and have a great day.